A very good morning to the students of classes 5, 6, 7 and 8 in the English language class on spellings chapter 3 part 4. This is a class which is common to the classes 6, 7, 8 and 5. So it is a common class for all the students of 5, 6, 7 and 8 to improve your spellings so that you can learn the language better. Well children, in the previous 3 videos, you have already seen what is rule number 1 and what is rule number 2. You have had examples, and here also we are going to just refresh with a few examples. Emit plus ed is emitted. What has happened there? T has doubled itself. Wander plus ing is wandering. There is no difference. Wander plus is wanderer. Do you remember the wanderer? Who is a wanderer? Yes, planets are called wanderers. Repent plus ed is repented. So today we are going to continue with the class by learning what Rule 3 has to tell us. And in Rule 3 it says, in British English, there are 2 kinds of English. One is the American English and the other is the British English. In Britain English, the consonant L is doubled, even if the stress does not fall on the last syllable. Okay? So wherever the words, the last letter is L, even though there is no stress, it gets doubled. Let's see some examples. So here in this note you can see L is doubled even if stress is not there on the last syllable. Quarrel. How many L's are there? 1. Plus ed becomes quarrelled. What has happened to the L? It has doubled itself. Was there a stress when we said quarrel? Was there a stress on L? No. What is quarrel, children? Argue and fight. Travel. Did we say travel? No. We just said travel. Plus L doubles. Traveler. Signal plus ing, signaling. Distill plus is distiller. Level plus is leveler. Excel plus ed is excelled. What is excel? To do something very well. Equal plus ed is equaled. Fuel plus ed is fueled. You know what is fuel, isn't it? Diesel, petrol, which you use for your vehicles. Gruel plus ing is grueling. Alright, so we move on next to Rule 3. We continue. Look at some exceptions. There are always exceptions to a rule. Parallel. What is parallel? Yes, you draw parallel lines that do not meet each other. Excellent. To that, when I add ed, what is the last letter of parallel? L. According to British English, what should happen? L should become doubled. It does not double. Paralleled. Cool plus ed. You keep water in the fridge so that it becomes cooled, isn't it? We don't add another L. It's cooled. Prowl plus Prowl means, we say animals normally prowl, they move around, isn't it? Prowler. Soil plus ed is soiled. Soiled means to make your clothes dirty. Brawl plus is brawler. And peel plus ed is peeled. Peeled means removing the peels. Okay? Next is Rule 3. Let's see what this has to tell. It says, drop the second L. drop the second L. If the word to which the suffix full is added ends in LL, the second L is dropped. That is, look at the first word, skill, will, till. All these words, what do they have? Double L at the end. To this, which suffix am I adding? F-U-L. What happens then? You add the full completely, but leave out one L from skill. L, the last two letters. Skill becomes skillful. S-K-I-L-F-U-L, not double L. Will plus full becomes willful. Is that clear, children? We continue. Some more examples. All plus so. What happened? One L went. It became also. Pain plus full. What happens? It becomes painful. One L is gone. All plus mighty. One L has gone. It became almighty. All plus ways. Always. Help plus full. It has become helpful. Is that clear? Okay. Next is to summarize. What we studied here, let us just summarize it. The consonant L is doubled even if the stress does not fall on the last syllable. In which English? British English. Excellent. Drop the second L when you add the suffix full to a word. If you are adding not F-U-L-L, children, it should be F-U-L to a word. Examples. Yeah, and sometimes when you add double F-U-L-L also, you drop one word. You saw that, isn't it? Travel plus ed is travelled. All plus though. Here you see, you have added two L's. All has two L's. One is gone. Painful. So we have taken off one L from there. Until. You have written it as until. Okay. Can you see? So F-U-L-L is also correct. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Then you have questions. Answer the following in your notebooks. What does Rule 3 say? How will you write these words? All plus ready, all plus right, un plus still, use plus full. You have to write it out in your notebooks. Thank you, students. I'm sure you have understood whatever has been taught to you till now. Thank you. Sai Ram.